We are in Moloolaba and we've decided to go to the Velo project today. Our friends recommended it, it's going to be vegan friendly. So yeah, we're going to go check that out first.
They sent me on what?
Yeah, the menu is all on an app here, so just scan it and it comes up.
Can you order it?
The vegan classic avocado on toast, but they've thrown in some sweet corn. Pretty yummy. Yeah, sweet corn's in there.
I absolutely smashed through my avocado on toast. The bread was so soft and tasty, and it came in with sweet corn and red onion mixed through the avocado. It's on the menu as a vegan option, and I think that when it is like that and you don't have to ask for it to be made vegan, there's a lot more thought going into the flavour, and it tasted really good. So 10 out of 10 for the avocado on toast. Currently eyeing up Charlotte's one because she's not finished yet.
Ricky was yum, and now we want to go and do some kind of ocean adventure. We're thinking kayaking. It's so hot though, but I think we're just gonna have to slip, slap, slop and go out. Wowee, we got a very good day today, didn't we?
Very lucky. One of the first things that might stand out to you if you have a quick look on Google Maps at Mooloolaba is this loo with a view, and Charlotte has just been in there.
Well, there's no view from the loo, but the view from is out here.
But if you go on top of them, you've got the whole Moloolaba Beach to take in, and it is a good view.
So right now I'm just on the Esplanade. Corey just caught me shopping, but it's full of cafes, restaurants, clothing stores, and above us is all the kind of like high-rise living apartments or holiday homes. It's kind of like the main place to be if you want to come for a holiday and be right in the action.
Yes.
I bought some clothes. I got some 70s flares and a nice little beach hat.
Next up is the Wharf, Mooloolaba, and this is where you come to do all of your ocean-based activities. But we're going to go and get a kayak and go and hang out on the canals. So hiring the kayak from Sunreef Hires, you're able to leave your stuff in their lockers there. We've got this kayak for 2 hours and it's cost us $45, and we're just taking a little adventure through the canals here. Moloolaba canals are full of multi-million-dollar properties, amazing yachts, and the marina is full of more yachts. But we are just out here enjoying this beautiful day here after a week full of rain and making the most of the sunshine. Yoo-hoo!
Famous aqueduct. It drives on land and floats in sea. It was originally on the Gold Coast, but now it's up in the sunny coast.
Get over my shoulder.
canals, and now I think Corey wants to go further out. Where to?
Back around the island we started near.
Okay, it's where the canals meet the ocean, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looking out for someone like you. Maybe someday when I've grown older, I can see it all clear from above. Looking back on it all, maybe I can see what was broken. Ooh, but it's a lonely calling. Yeah, it's a lonely calling. I'm done trying to fix what is broken.
Kayak done.
Tick.
Tick. What's next?
I think Corey wants chips.
Yeah, we're gonna go get some food from the wharf down here. Find some snacks.
How cool is this? So some reef actually do like snorkel and scuba diving courses, and they have this big tank right out here, and you can see them practicing. Really cool.
Okay, there are heaps of food options down at the wharf, but the place we wanted to go to was the local pub. I just wanted a beer and some chips. They will stop serving food, so we have come back to Moloolaba main beach, and we're going to go to the surf club.
Maybe I can see what was broken. Ooh, but it's a lonely calling. Yeah, it's a lonely calling.
If you're looking for a place to watch the sunset when you're in Mooloolaba, then come to Point Cartwright. It's where the lighthouse is, and there's also a great, kind of secret, much less busier beach here. So right now we've come down to Point Cartwright, and it's kind of like the place to go to if you want to see the sunset in Mooloolaba. It's so secluded down here. We're just on a beach right next to the lighthouse over there. But there's not really anyone here. There's a few people walking their dog. Actually, there's some dogs swimming. It's really cute. Just at this little sheltered cove. Not really a surf spot. There's a lot of rocks and a bit of reef, and there's some people kayaking past. But yeah, really nice spot. Very nice.
Yes?
Perfect sunset spot, yes. We're very close now to the sunset. It's about half an hour away, but it's getting really low on the horizon. And it's looking so beautiful here. You got people just paddle boarding behind us. Everyone's out walking their dogs. And it's just the perfect place to be. So pretty. We have the moon, which is so bright and beautiful, and then there's all these like pastel shades in the sky, and then this way we have this orange fiery sunset. This is why people love the sunny coast.
Okay guys, so that is where we're going to finish off the Mooloolaba vlog. If we missed anything that you guys know about, leave it in the comments below.
And we'll see you guys next week when we're venturing somewhere else in southeast Queensland. Bye!
Bye!